In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a three-way call on Microsoft Teams. Whether you're coordinating with colleagues or connecting with friends, mastering this skill can really enhance your communication capabilities. Let's walk through the process together, and by the end, you'll be ready to set up your own three-way calls on Teams with ease. First, let's start by opening Microsoft Teams on your computer or mobile device. If you're using a desktop, you'll want to locate the Teams app icon, usually found on your Start menu, desktop, or taskbar, and give it a click. If you're on a mobile device, simply tap on the Teams app to launch it. Once opened, you'll find yourself on the Teams home screen, which gives you access to all the recent activity and options you'll need in just a few steps. Now that you've got Microsoft Teams up and running, the next step is to start a call with your first participant. Navigate to the Calls menu, which you can access by selecting the Calls icon on the left-hand sidebar if you're on a desktop or using the bottom menu on your mobile device. This will bring up your call history and a dial pad, where you can search for the first contact you wish to call. You can do this by entering their name in the search bar or selecting them from your contact list if you've had previous interactions. Once you've found the correct contact, click or tap on their name, then choose the audio call button. With the initial call underway, our next task is to involve a third participant. While the first call is still active, you'll need to keep your eye on the Teams interface. If you're on a computer, there should be a toolbar featuring several options. Look for the More Options button. It's represented by 3 dots and click on it. From the drop-down menu that appears, select the Add Participants option. For those of you using the mobile app, you might notice the same 3-dot icon somewhere within the call screen itself. Tapping on this will also lead you to a similar Add Participant selection. At this stage, go ahead and enter the name of the person you want to add to your call. As you type, Microsoft Teams will suggest contacts from your previous calls or chat history. Once you've found the correct person, select their name and then hit the Add button to bring them into your ongoing call. The person you've added will receive a call invitation, and once they accept, you'll successfully have a three-way call in progress. It's important to note that you can add more than one participant if needed, following these same steps. This flexibility makes Microsoft Teams a powerful tool for group collaboration, allowing for multiple voices to come together seamlessly. And there you have it, a quick guide to making a three-way call on Microsoft Teams. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to try this out and get comfortable with these steps. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful.